Hey, I am Brownie! Brownie has $100! I'm very excited! I want to invest. I open my phone. I see the stock market. Red numbers everywhere. I close the phone. I buy bananas instead. I'm Mr. Primate. This is how most monkeys behave. This is how most people behave. That ends today. Today, we talk about how to start investing with just $100. Wait, only $100? That's nothing. That's 2 grocery trips. That 1 pair of shoes. That is exactly the problem, Brony. Everyone thinks they need thousands to start. Don't you? No. And today, we prove it. Okay, Mr. Primate. Brownie, you're listening. But if this boring, I am leaving. Deal. Here is the truth. Most people never start investing because they think they need the perfect amount, perfect time, perfect knowledge. Brownie was waiting for perfect time for 3 years. What happened? Still waiting. Exactly. Waiting is the mistake. Because of one thing. Inflation. Ooh, big word. Monkey scared. Still me. Simple concept. Every year, prices go up around 3%. So your $100 sitting in your bank account? Yes. Next year, it only buys what $97 buys today. Year after that, $94. You lose money by doing nothing. What? Brownie's money's shrinking and I'm not even spending it? Correct. That criminal. That's inflation. Same thing.
Now, the solution. Compound interest. Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world.
Einstein. Smart man. Did he have banana?
Focus. Brownie, here is how compound interest works. You invest $100. It earns 10%. Now you have $110. Next year, you earn 10% on $110. Not just original $100.
So money making money?
Exactly.
Brownie understand. Like banana tree. You plant 1 seed, trees grows, tree makes more bananas. Those bananas have more seeds. Those seeds make more trees.
That is actually a perfect explanation.
Brownie knows.
$100 per month, starting at age 22, average 10% return.
Okay.
By age 62, you have $637,000.
Brownie shocked.
Brownie
need a moment.
From $100 a month.
From $100 a month?
But if you wait just 10 years to start?
How much?
$227,000.
Waiting 10 years costs $227,000? Yes! Brownie should have started yesterday.
Everyone should have. Option 3, Roth IRA.
What's that?
This is the most powerful account for regular people.
Roth IRA sounds like a person. Hello, Roth. Do you like bananas?
It's an account,
Brownie. So, can we save bananas there?
No!
You put money in after taxes. It grows for decades. When you retire, you take out everything. Tax-free. Government gets nothing? Nothing! Brownie likes Roth IRA very much now. $7,000 per year maximum. Start with $100. Grow from there. Open at Fidelity or Schwab. Both free, both no minimum. You actually researched that? Brownie Googled. Okay, wait. Brownie have question.
Yes?
Brownie's cousin told Brownie about special crypto coin. Goes 1000x. Very safe, very guaranteed, only $100 to enter. Brownie! Yes? That is a scam. But cousin said some coins are scam. But the website looked scam. But scam. Brownie already sent $100. Brownie! Just kidding, Mr. Primate. Brownie not that stupid.
The rule is simple. If someone promises guaranteed returns, run. Meme stocks?
Okay. Gambling. Penny stocks? Trap. Day trading? 80% of people lose money. Professional traders with algorithms lose money day trading.
So regular Brownie has 0 chance?
0. Buy, hold, don't touch. Buy, hold, don't touch. You learn fast. Brownie is fast learner when money involved. Okay, so Brownie has $100. Brownie opens Fidelity. Brownie buys VOO. Then what?
Then you do it again next month.
That it?
That's it.
No secret strategy? No special trick? The secret is the consistency. $100 every month.
Okay.
Automatic. You never see it, never touch it, never think about it. Brownie can do that.
Most people can't. They panic when market goes down. They sell. They lose. When market goes down, that's actually a good time to buy more. More units. Lower price. Where did you learn that?
Brownie been paying attention. I'm proud of you, Brownie.
Do you understand? Then tell me in a comment.
Or if you have any questions, then tell me. We can solve it together. Anyway, don't make it weird, Mr. Primate.
Now, real action.
Okay, here is what you do today, right now, after this video. Tell you. One by one.
Sure, Brownie.
Step 1. Open Fidelity or Schwab account. Free. 10 minutes. Step 2. Open Roth IRA inside that account. Step 3. Deposit $100. Step 4. Buy VOO or VTI. Step 5. Set automatic monthly investment, even $50 extra. Step 6. Stop checking it every single day. Brownie cannot do Step 6. Try. Brownie will try. The best investment is the one you actually make. Not the perfect one, not the big one. The one you start. $100 is enough. Today is the right time. And as always,